Hello and welcome to Clarity 16.3.3 Feature Supportability Training. I am Santosh Panchali and I am a product manager of Clarity. In this session, we'll review an important enhancement made to roadmaps, specifically the multi-currency support. So, what exactly is this enhancement? For global organizations handling multi-currency investments, financial analysis is now streamlined. Users can convert all roadmap monetary data to a single chosen currency, ensuring accurate totals and aggregations. And this is critical because it empowers global organizations by providing a unified currency view for roadmaps, thereby overcoming the problem of inconsistent financial totals. It ensures accurate, consolidated analysis and reporting directly within the tool, supporting strategic decision making on global investments and eliminating the need for manual and error prone workarounds. Now, let's review this capability in action through a short demonstration. Alright, I am logged into Clarity. As we bring in the multi-currency support to modern UX, we'll review some of the setup that is required for multi-currency capabilities to work. I'm in classic administration and here in finance processing page. The first thing to make sure is that this use multi-currency checkbox is ticked. You may note that once it is enabled, you cannot disable it. Next, under finance setup, from the currencies page, make sure that the currencies that will be used are activated. I have a few that are activated in the system, like here. And most importantly, make sure that the foreign exchange rates are properly set up for the conversions that need to happen and for the effective dates of the investments, with the exchange rate type being average, as that is what will be used during the currency conversions. Here, I have exchange rates set up for few different currencies that we'll use in this demonstration. Also, in the modern UX administration, there is a feature toggle provided for this capability. Make sure it is enabled. By default, it is. Next, I have logged into the Modern UX app and I am on the roadmaps page. Here, I have a demo roadmap. When the feature toggle that we just reviewed is enabled, a new attribute, currency, is available for roadmaps. Before we set it with a value, let's review how the roadmap looks like. Here it is, where it has been added with a few different investments, all having different money values of different currencies, INR, GBP, AUD, etc. And mainly notice that in the total row that is set up, the aggregations like summation are done by simply adding up with no sensitivity to the fact that they are from different currencies, making no sense. We'll let this page stay for comparison purposes later. And in a different browser tab, let us now go back to the roadmap and set the currency to say USD. By this, we are asking the system to convert the money values for the roadmap items to that of USD upon importing new roadmap items or upon syncing the existing linked items. Let's go to the roadmap items page again and run the sync, which syncs the items for this scenario. Let's wait for the sync to finish. Voila, The numbers are now converted. The currency is updated to USD, which is the roadmap's currency. And the aggregations make sense now since they're all from the same single currency. This all worked as the system is all set up properly for leveraging multi-currency capabilities, mainly the foreign exchange rates. Now, let's compare the numbers with the previous. Here, we can see it compared to the numbers before being converted shown in the left side of the screen. Had there been any problem in converting the money values for any roadmap items, for example, due to missing exchange rates for the effective dates, the conversion would not happen for that roadmap item and a corresponding error message is logged to the job logs. To demonstrate that, let me change the currency of the roadmap to say ADP, where we know that the foreign exchange rates are not set up for this currency. And let us run the sync again. We'll wait for the sync to finish. And as we can see, the conversion did not happen. Neither the numbers changed or the currency code changed. Now, let us go and check the job logs for roadmap item sync job. Here, we can see in the logs the reason for the failure. That concludes the session on multi-currency support in roadmaps added in release 16.3.3. Thank you.